Introducing the impressive 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan A7 R-Line. This stunning black estate Jeep is powered by a 2.0 TDI engine and boasts a range of luxurious features. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this vehicle offers ultimate comfort and convenience on every journey. The safety features are second to none, with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance technology to keep you and your passengers protected. With sleek styling elements like roof rails and privacy glass, this Tiguan A7 R-Line is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Not to mention the advanced technology such as the stop and start system and facial gesture control for added convenience. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Interested in making this beauty yours? Contact us today or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information. Drive home in your dream car today.